beautiful, huh? Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
There's deer prints right here.
Yeah. Oh, this is a moosey backwater right back here.
Yeah, that looks moosey, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Long lake.
Yeah.
Blow, Tony! Blow! Don't pass out. Unreal, beautiful. Well, first time ever in a float tube. This is kind of cool. Tony's catching fish right behind me. I was flying the drone and put the drone in the water. It's the first time ever for that. Got it too low and took a dive. I was lucky to get it up out of the water somehow. The blades were still working. Flew it back. It's trashed. But hopefully the footage on it's still good. Luckily I have a warranty on it, so I will be able to warranty it and get a new drone. Thankfully I signed up for that. Hey buddy! I'll be there in 2 hours. Did you get them on the same? What? You catch that one on the on a nymph? Right on. You got 2 of them? 2? Damn. Almost to the hot spot. There he is. See that loon sort of following me? There he is. I filmed him underwater like that. That's so cool. Yeah, one. I just saw him swim by. What's up, bud?
Nothing. Doing great. 2 fish in the 2 nice big cutties.
Are you just trolling right now?
I just let it sink to the bottom. It's deep enough. Yeah, fat cutties.
Really?
Good fighting too.
That's cool. Oh, there's a trout right there. There's a big trout right underneath me. Fish. Yeah, bud.
Zoom just cruised right over us. Come on. I feel like I'm horsing him a bit. He's pretty thick, huh?
He's really thick.
The other 3 were like that too.
You got him. Don't horse him.
That's the problem.
He's a hog. We got a hog.
Got the hog. Oh, we don't want that. We don't want no more of that. Come on. Yeah.
What a hog.
That's a big cutthroat, dude. Holy crap. That's the biggest one I've ever caught, I think.
That's awesome.
I want to mount him.
Get a replica.
Come here, look at this thing.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
That's a good fish.
Yeah.
That's a good fish.
Here he goes.
Here, bud. Get a little tap of your toe, maybe. Yeah, he's good to go. Take your lead. Hey.
That's what we came up here for.
Come on, baby. Hit me. That was a nice fish.
Thanks.
Apple. It's like a giant. It's the biggest apple ever. This is when I'm going to get a fish, when I'm eating this apple. Did he take it hard? Yeah. Didn't smash it, huh? Well, we're running out of lake.
Yeah. That's alright. My legs are running out of juice.
Well, that was a good day. Gonna call it. Get out, B. Get out. Get out. There you go. Go home.